Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial using the Morphe palette. I know I'm quite behind on this whole makeup tutorial thing because I see a lot of people using way better palettes, but I just thought I'd show you this because I quite like it. So, firstly I'm applying some concealer, just a light layer to the eye. And then I'm going to use this really nice fluffy brush with this shade, and I'm going to just basically brush it into the crease and buff it out so it's nice and smooth. I'm going to do it on the other eye as well. I really like this colour because it's very natural, it's not too bright for the eye, and it's a really good transition shade. I'm just going to comb my little eyebrows because I'm obsessed with my eyebrows. Next I'm going to be using a more red tone on the outer part of the eye, and I'm just going to buff that in a little bit. Blend them all together. And then I'm going to go in with a really small brush and this shimmery shade. I'm not sure what the name is because I got rid of the plastic thing that comes into it. But yeah, I'm just applying that on the lid. It's going to give it a really nice effect. Now I'm going to be using a black eyeliner. I love like this marker pen. I hate using pencil liners because I feel like they don't give as much of a sharp edge. And this really helps with definition. So I'm just doing it on both eyes. I'm very much concentrating. And yeah, it's a good eyeliner. It's very black. It's lovely. And once I've done that, I decided to put some in the inner corner. Now, I know that Nikki Tutorials does this on her videos and I think it looks really nice, and I just wanted to try it out. It's definitely not like an everyday thing, but I think it looks really cool. I definitely recommend you guys trying it out. Just blend in a bit more just to make sure that it's 100% blended. I should have probably clipped my fringe back because it's kind of getting in the way, but it's fine. And then I'm just going to blend the bottom as well, just with a lighter shade, just so it connects the eye. I wouldn't want to put a really dark colour on the lid because I feel like it kind of ruins it. And then I'm going in with a bright red, one of the really vibrant colours that Morphe have, and I'm putting that on the lid just to give it a bit of colour, like a bit of pop, you know. I don't work with a lot of bright colours, and I'm thinking of buying a palette that has really bright colours and maybe do another tutorial on that. And I do apologise for being very moody in this. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching.